Did you know there are 36 species of dolphins found in every ocean? According to National Geographic 2015, the spectrum of dolphins is very broad and wide. In fact, there are actually saltwater and freshwater dolphins. Dolphins come in many different shapes, sizes, and even colors. Dolphins are known to be extremely sociable mammals, and they make lots of noises. They tend to hunt in groups and stick together. This means holding them in captivity can be extremely detrimental to their well-being. Dolphins' main current threat is, as you may have expected, humans. Commercial fishing nets are accidentally catching dolphins quite frequently, and this is placing several dolphin species on the verge of endangerment. Dolphin species vary on quite an immense spectrum. The most abundant and familiar species are the short-beaked common dolphins, as stated by Fisheries NOAA. The reason why the short-beaked dolphins are the most familiar species is because they like to stay near the surface, so people see them more frequently. Surprisingly, they are one of the smallest species of dolphins, weighing in at 170 pounds and 6 feet long. They prefer warm, tropical to cool temperate waters. Unlike many other species, short-beaked common dolphins are not threatened or endangered in the United States. Orcas, or killer whales, are actually the largest species of dolphins at about 20 to 26 feet long, which is approximately 20 feet longer than the short-beaked common dolphin. They're particularly distinctive because of their jet black and white appearance. Orcas are at the top of the food chain, and they feed on fish, penguins, seals, sea lions, and even whales. Orcas, similar to most marine animals, have been proven to do very poorly in captivity. They're extremely intelligent and require lots of exercise, which is almost impossible in their tight cement enclosures. River dolphins can be found in the freshwater parts of South America, and Asia. They definitely don't look like your average dolphin. There are now only 5 known species of river dolphins. This is due to the dying off of many species. Pollution, dams, hunting, and many other factors contribute to this endangerment. Amazon river dolphins are some of the oldest animals on the planet, according to worldwildlife.org. They're quite distinctive by their long snouts and pink color. They also have tiny eyes but excellent eyesight. These river dolphins have been known to be very playful and actually attracted to humans. Even though they may occasionally be shy animals, they enjoy playing with people. Dolphins are playful, sociable animals that require their natural habitat to thrive. Dolphins are some of the most intelligent animals on Earth. This means they are very aware of their surroundings. They demonstrate grief, playfulness, and problem-solving skills. Dolphins actually do have quite large brains, which indicates longer lifespans, complicated behavior, and they are very sociable. Most species of dolphins hunt in groups called pods. Sometimes they will circle around schools of fish and take turns swimming through it to feast. Other times, when their meal is too large to eat in one bite, they take the tail of the fish and slam it against the water's surface to break it into smaller pieces. In some cases, dolphins may even use sound to hurt or stun fish before they feed. They use sonars to disorientate the fish, according to dolphinsforkids.com. Dolphin vocalizations can injure fish, which makes them easier prey. Dolphins are extremely active animals, and they need tons of space and to be surrounded by other animals. More than 3,000 dolphins are currently suffering in containment for the dolphin tourism industry. Dolphins can live up to 50 years in misery, well said by World Animal Protection. Dolphins in captivity show genuine signs of depression and in some cases even turn to self-harm. Some examples include banging their heads against tank walls and chewing on gates. Swimming up to 40 miles a day is nothing new to a dolphin. This is obviously impossible for dolphins kept in concrete tanks or artificial lagoons. Though most dolphin species are not endangered, commercial fishing still impacts them heavily. Thankfully, only 5 out of 46 dolphin species are actually endangered. It's common for dolphins that prefer shallow waters to be caught by commercial fishers. A study by Natural Resources Defense Council, NRDC, in 2014 demonstrated an estimated 650,000 marine mammals, including whales and dolphins, die in foreign fisheries every single year, stated by savedolphins.eii.org. More than 80% of Indian Ocean dolphins were killed by commercial fishing. The largest, most specific threat to dolphins is due to the deliberate targeting of common dolphin pods. Over 7 million dolphins have been killed by this fishing method in the eastern tropical Pacific. In fact, the estimated annual dolphin kill was between 80,000 to 100,000 during the late 1980s. Discarded fishing gear is another big threat to dolphin survival. Entanglement in this gear is an easy way for dolphins to drown. Though dolphins can hold their breath for an extreme amount of time, they cannot breathe underwater. The waste fishing gear can be easily recycled, and therefore they would cause no harm to the environment, or more particularly, dolphins. These are some of the many reasons why numerous species of dolphins are on the verge of extinction. There are certainly tons and tons of interesting dolphin facts out there, partially because there is such an immense amount of dolphin species. Dolphins are definitely some of the most playful, human-like animals. Intelligence is an easy word to describe these whimsical creatures. Though several dolphin species are on the verge of endangerment, there are many programs fighting for their survival. Yes, times are bad now, but it is predicted that by 2030, some of these species will actually restore themselves and perhaps double in population.